Jonathan Bloom from Fortune Small Business Magazine. Thanks so much for joining us here. I have a very interesting set of segments I've been making recently about things you can do to save money as prices fall. Now, a lot of businesses are very frightened these days that if they can charge less for a service, they're going to make less. Well, I disagree. I think there are a lot of great, matter of fact, I know there are a lot of great tools that you can use to save yourself money, and maybe you have to charge less, but you can make a perfectly healthy profit if you know what to use. And today, we're going to be looking at cell phones, a certain family of cell phones, so-called smartphones. And thanks to the folks at Apple, this is squarely on Steve Jobs' shoulders, so props to Steve Jobs, there has never been greater innovation in so-called mobile intelligent devices than these past few months. In many ways, this is sort of a golden age of mobile devices. You've never been able to do more with them. Today, we have a couple of examples of certain things you can use to be more efficient today. And right at the top of the list, here's a quirky little product. This is a small company called Peak. And what they've created here is an email-only device. Only get your email. Doesn't support any old, domain name. You have to have Yahoo or Google or Verizon.net or something like that. But service only costs $20 a month. Dead easy to use. I set this up in 7 minutes. It's bomb-proof. It was an Oprah pick. Hey, very important. And it comes with a very attractive price. If you're looking for an easy way to get connected as you roam around, you really can't beat that. So check it out. Now, a lot closer with more traditional carriers. This is really the big story right now. This is from AT&T. For BlackBerry users, it's the big story. This is the new AT&T Bold. Now, this is not cheap. This is $299 with plans and a discount. It's an expensive device. But I argue, this is a laptop replacement. This is a serious mobile device. RIM, Research in Motion, has spent a lot of money updating this keyboard, and they've beveled it. They've recreated the key structure so it's faster and easy to use. There's tons of great software applications built into this thing, great message functions. They've improved the quality of the camera. They've given it an overall fit and finish improvement. And if you're looking to put a small office in your pocket, the BlackBerry Bold from AT&T, check it out. This is a nice device. From the other carriers, also news in BlackBerry, this is from Verizon. This is their brand new Storm. This is their attempt to answer the iPhone. Very interesting device. Notice no keyboard. And what they do is a touchscreen display and a simple press feature. The screen itself actually has tactile feedback. So it offers a half step between the touch-based iPhone and other BlackBerry devices. Very interesting half step if you're looking for a little bit more feel in your device. I think it's worth checking out. It's only $199, so it's reasonably priced. And this is a very interesting new step from Verizon. I'll be interested to see how this tests out in the next couple of months. Other devices out there, and literally there are tons of them. I like what Sprint is doing. This is the HTC Touch Diamond. The idea here is to make it smaller than the iPhone, has lots of great features, very nice integration with Windows Mobile 6. You can dock this with your desktop. This is a very nice device. This thing comes in at $250 with a plan. And then finally, check it out. This is what's going on now in the applications war in mobile devices. This is your standard iPhone. I'm going to open this thing up. This is from a company called Nuber. Check it out. What they've done is they have created a device that allows you to have a virtual number. In other words, you give out a third number and it forwards to your Nuber-enabled device. It's $5 a month, 2 cents a minute, but it's a very inexpensive way of getting yourself another phone line without having to pay for independent service. If you can't, my point here is, if you can't save money using tools like this, you really have not been doing your homework. There's a lot of great things that you can get you more productive, quick and fast. I advise you all to check these things out. Jonathan Bloom, Fortune Small Business Magazine.